Hey guys, DeviIT here, and today I'm going to fully explain what continuity is and what features it implies. So continuity is the group of features that helps you use all of your Apple devices seamlessly. Continuity is not one thing, but the name of all those features combined. For this video, I will demonstrate all the features that you can get with continuity. The first thing is handoff. Handoff is a feature where you can start doing something on one device and switch to another device and pick up where you left off. For example, I could start writing this script on my iPhone, and if you check the left side of my MacBook, there's a Notes app that pops up with the small iPhone icon. If you click that, it opens the Notes app and automatically navigates to the note that you are editing on your iPhone. The next thing is AirDrop. AirDrop is a feature where you can wirelessly send photos, videos, documents, and other files to other iPhones, iPads, or MacBooks. For example, after I record something on my iPhone, if I need the recording on my MacBook, I could send it via AirDrop and it will be inside my Downloads folder. The next thing is Universal Clipboard. This is a feature where you can copy content such as text and images to other devices. For example, if there's a YouTube link that I have on my MacBook and I need to send it to someone on my iPhone, I can just copy it on my MacBook and the paste button automatically works on my iPhone. The next thing is iPhone calls. This only works when the other devices are close to your iPhone, but it's a feature where you can answer phone calls with your MacBook, iPad, or Apple Watch. For example, if I needed to answer a call but I don't know where my phone is at the moment, I can answer the phone call on my MacBook. The next thing is message forwarding. As you can see, there's a message app on my MacBook and iPad. You can send SMS and MMS messages from your MacBook and iPad using your iPhone's cellular plan. For example, I can receive SMS from my MacBook and reply quickly via the button on the top right. The next thing is Instant Hotspot. If you check the Wi-Fi networks in any device, you can see your personal hotspots above the normal networks. If you click on it, it automatically enables your personal hotspot on your phone and connects to it without the need of entering a password. The features I said above applies to all Apple devices. Now, the features I say after applies to specific Apple devices. The next thing is Sidecar. Now this only applies to iPads and MacBooks. When you have your iPad nearby, you can connect it wirelessly to use it as a second display, or use it as a tablet input device and use it to draw with your Apple Pencil in Mac apps. I personally use it often as a second display while I'm video editing. The final thing is Auto Unlock. This feature applies to Apple Watches and MacBooks. When you have a password-protected Apple Watch and a MacBook, you can automatically unlock your MacBook when you are wearing the watch and approve requests by double-clicking the back button on your Apple Watch. These features I explained above may sound minor. However, if you combine all of them and start using them on a daily basis, they drastically improve your workflow and you will wonder how you lived without them. That concludes this video. If you like this type of content, I'll be making more in the future, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.